So let's identify the differences between a Google Knowledge Panel and a Google Knowledge Graph. Starting by explaining the Google Knowledge Graph. The Google Knowledge Graph is a database that Google uses to enhance search engine results. Google Knowledge Graph acquires information from several sources by relying on information from authoritative websites, including information from structured data. For instance, Wikipedia is one of the reliable sources Google uses to build the Google Knowledge Graph. However, Wikipedia is not the only source which Google relies on for information gathering. Other sources can include a well-optimized IMDb profile. A Crunchbase profile is one of them. Having your news articles appear on Google News. Wikidata is one of them. Having your books published on Amazon Kindle. A well-optimized YouTube channel. Having your books published on Google Playbook. A Google Scholar profile with citations. And a website having structured data with the help of schema markup, just to name a few. These are good sources to assist Google Knowledge Graph to understand an entity. So it is important to note that Google Knowledge Graph is Google's internal database which cannot be seen. You cannot log in to view a Google Knowledge Graph. There is no graphical user interface. It is all behind the scenes. I hope you now have an idea of what a Google Knowledge Graph is. Now I will explain what a Google Knowledge Panel is. So once Google has acquired all information it requires from all these sources across the internet, it triggers what we call a Google Knowledge Panel. Now, a Google Knowledge Panel is a visual representation. It is the final result after the Google bots have crawled across the web and acquired information from each source and linking them all together to generate a Google Knowledge Panel. A Google Knowledge Panel is a summary of information of a notable entity. It is usually displayed as an information box containing basic facts about the entity, without having the need to click on multiple websites to find basic facts. So let us look at it this way. Google Knowledge Graph can be referred to Google's internal database, which cannot be seen. It is not accessible to the general public. However, a Google Knowledge Panel is the final result. They are both linked. So imagine the web as a source of vast amount of information. And we place the web at the top as the main source. Then a step lower, we have the Google Knowledge Graph. Now, moving another step lower, we have the Google Knowledge Panel, which is the final result, becoming the visual representation. I hope this explanation has been helpful for you to understand the classification. Ensure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.